What's up, brick builders? Today's build is Pumpkin. This is set number Pumpkin. Year it came out was 2011. Age group is 6+, and it's got a piece count of 40. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. Pumpkin. Set number Pumpkin. You couldn't write it, could you? You couldn't write it. Anyway, yes. Yeah, this is a really cool build, actually. It has a face, which is nice. And this was a giveaway at Walmart. It would be in a black cauldron, and the instruction leaflet would be in there as well. And you just build it and take it home. So it's a make and take at Walmart. That was really cool idea. Very nice of them. I never saw that, but hey, this is a really cool build. Let's dive in and build it, shall we? Let's do it. This is so cool. Look at it. Look at it. It's got eyes. It's got the smile. And if you actually tip this up a little bit, now he's got a little bit of a grin going on. Ah, I like it. That I did that by accident one day, and I was like, ooh, I like that. Kind of like that, the way it's tilted up and that. A very Decent build indeed. Lots of decent parts for an actual giveaway. Or, yeah, I would say it's just a giveaway, really. Superb. You get some really cool pieces. You've got this nice 4x4 black plate here. Lots of plates. Lots of 1x1 plates to give it some detail over the eyes there and stuff. And that's all around as well. So he's wanting to grin, so I'm just going to leave him to grin. Lots of bricks as well. Cool 2x3 orange bricks as well as that. There's just so many really cool, handy pieces in this build. And it makes a fantastic pumpkin display piece. So cool. So cool. And you can see it's a fairly decent size. Very chunky and very cool, decent size build. I love it. I absolutely love this. This is probably one of my favorite pumpkins yet. And we've done a few now. But yeah, definitely my favorite pumpkin so far. Folks, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more content like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share amongst your friends and family and anybody else who you think would be interested in seeing more of this. And also, don't forget, put your notifications on to all so you don't miss a thing with all the builds coming up to Halloween. We will be building all the way up to Halloween at the moment. So yeah, stay tuned. Look out for those. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Sean from BRIT'N. Peace.